Namaskar dost. Today's my topic is a paid media. What is the paid media and what is the impact this media on our government, on our system, on our life? The paid media is have a no character, because if you give some money to this media and they talk your words, this is not good. Paid media is just like an advertisement company who just advertise your achievements, not your faults. So the paid media is very dangerous for the country, and they hiding the real truth of country in front of the people. They're hiding the truth of the real issue in front of the people. So the paid media is a very dangerous. People should boycott it every second. It is the decrease your life, and it is the not good to us. The paid media is a work on the fingers of the government. So paid media is not good for us. If any media who praise for the government, it is the not media. It is the just paid media. Always think this your mind, the thought process of the paid media to praise the government, to praise anybody, to any celebrity who never erase any wrong point or negative point of anyone. That is called the paid media. And paid media is just a doing business. They play the feelings and emotions of the people. People should understand and boycott this type of a media. This media will never change your world. This media never change your point of view towards the government, towards the people, towards the society, towards the country. And in the world level, they always insult our country without any reasons. They form their own news in their own words, and they deliver this news in front of the people, and with non-authentic proof. So I think that is the point where we are standing along, that the paid media should be boycotted. People should how to you get that this is the media, paid media. If you're watching any media who create a very very great canvas of any type of parties or governments or any celebrity who praise of him, that is called the praise. That is called the paid media. Because paid media, if you are thinking that is the not opportunity, but media should praising of this type of a party or government or schools, celebrities, so that we can say that is the paid media. And paid media is like a cancer of the world, of the country, and they never keep and put the real issue in front of you. They just make the news according to the government, according to any celebrities. So you should clear cut understand these things. If any media who praising something, it means it is the not media. It is the just a businessman who advertise their party, their work, and their something. What is the media? What is the non-paid media? The non-paid media is to like a father. The father, government, and the media relation is the father and son. Father never pointed out the good achievements of boy. He always pointed out the wrong things in the boy. He always made boy very perfect. He always pointed out the wrong thing in the boys. He pointed out the negative things in the boy. So if non-paid media always doing this, so you understand this differentiate. If you are not understand this differentiate, it means you are follow a way where you are not reach your actual aim. So you should understand that paid media will not work in a progress of our country. They just making money to praising the government. They took the money from the government. They also run the ads on their channels, and they took money from them. They also praise the celebrity. They also took the money from the celebrity. How can we can say this is the media, this is the ad company? And you should understand the paid media is equal to advertise company. And if advertise company equal to paid media, then how can we say this is the media? And we should understand, if non-paid media, it means they are very patriotic towards the country. You should understand the role of media. Previously I told you that the father is like a non-paid media, and son is the government or whatever the media call their people to in their platform. It's called the it is called the non-paid media identity. So I think this is the way we should identify. You can say non-paid media who not praising the government leaders will not come on their platforms and give any press conference or any type of answer of questions. They are not outside of the country, they are in this country. But the government and celebrity are always afraid to counter their questions, because they know this media know the actual real truth. And the non-paid media, government always reach their platform and give the interview without any hesitation, because they know they wrote their script and give them to the paid media, and the paid media just ask the questions what they wrote in the hand. So you always aware about that. If you are not aware about that, it means you are doing something good for your country peoples. It means you are not good for your country peoples and not for your progress. You always focus on that. If you are not focusing, then there is no meaning of your you are a educated person and you are a very intelligent person. There is no meaning of your intelligence and education if you have not erased the right issue in front of the right people. So you should select the right people for the right place. Paid media is the not media. They are the advertising company. They just run their business and give the payment to their workers and make money for themselves. They are not 100% with our country. So they are the totally opposite people. Media have no rights to praise anything, but media should erase the negative points. It make our peoples better. It make our government better. We are not, some type of. If people pointed out the negative point, it means you are not against the country. You are patriotic. You know where is our country going wrong, and if you erase this point, it means you are doing something good. You should understand this. I hope you will understand what I want to convey to each of you. Subscribe my channels, like, and bye for now. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.